Hello, good morning. I'm Yuka and
I'm Jam.
what are we doing today?
We're going on a hike.
Exactly, it's exciting, yeah? Today we are going to Russet Lake. The hiking starts from Vitsla village through the singing path. We stay there for a night and tomorrow we are going to the roundhouse via musical bumps and take the gondola down. Total distance is 27 kilometers and 1400 of elevation.
This is my first ever overnight hike, and I'm very focused on carrying everything and packing and like preparing. So that's exciting for me. Just
That's
on
the
its own.
most exciting moment actually.
Yeah.
And just doing the hike is kind of like hard. It's just hard.
Yeah.
So this hard hike starts right next to the chairlift, which is sweet. You don't need to drive to a trailhead. I'm really hoping to see bear.
No.
You don't want to see bear?
Well, the goal is to not see a bear.
Why?
Sometimes they're calm, but sometimes they're not, and you never know what kind of bear you're going to encounter. So.
In that case, I brought the bear spray.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
So you are the one, you have to use it.
Like I've been trained on it before, but I didn't bring any of my own.
Yeah,
But I'm glad you have them.
I have them. I never use it though. I ride in the bike park quite often, but I didn't know that there is a hiking path just right there. Trailhead to the singing pass. Who's here?
Bear.
Bear poop. Where is the bear? Bear?
Go away, bear.
Should I whistle? Almost every time when I ride in the bike park, I see bears. So they are here for sure. You're just under the peak-to-peak gondola. How is it so far?
This is a lot different from just hiking with you.
Do you want to drink water? Nice. Why I love Canada? Because the water is so tasty here.
I'm gonna drink some water.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna drink too. We can say that we come here to drink water. Nice. Nice. Look at the bag. I found a really weird thing.
Oh, it's falling off too.
No, it's like
Yeah, this one is falling off.
you touch it.
Well, hopefully it's not poisonous, I guess. Like,
I think it's like a mushroom, yeah?
yeah, it looks like a mushroom. Nature's gross.
Miso soup time. Small lunch time. Pepperoni.
Egg sando.
And the water. Water's so good here.
It's really lucky. So many places you can't drink the water.
Yeah,
Here
exactly.
it's glacier fed and fast running, so I'm very lucky.
So nice.
No bears yet.
No any black dot?
No black dot.
Okay. So 3 kilometers to Russet Lake. So we're gonna camp there, but tomorrow we come back here.
Yep.
And going that way.
Oh,
Route Summit
okay.
and with the mountain gondola 9.5. Great!
Sounds good.
Hello! Mamat! Wow, you're so big! He doesn't move at all. You funny looking guy. Here is the hut. Oh, maybe this is the one under construction. Okay, here's the lake. And where's the hut? Oh, yeah. Oh, the lake is still half frozen. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's have a look at the hat.
Oh, okay. So we can definitely cook in here.
Yeah, we can, yeah. Let's check it out, the outhouse. Must be great view from the toilet. Oh, goshoo. Hello. There's no toilet paper. Very clean, I guess. I like this moment. I really smell fresh air. Alright, what I got here?
What? Oh my gosh. Thank you.
So,
Wow.
I have bubbly.
So you kept them inside your camelback, so it'd be the
Nice.
same as
Water.
water, same weight.
Yes.
Oh, so smart.
Yeah.
So smart. This is why Yuka is the expert, and this is my first time. I get to learn all the cool tricks. All right.
Alright. Cheers. Great hike.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. No sugar, but still helps.
Yes.
Okay, this is gonna be our camping spot. Yes, nice and big wall.
Drop the wind.
Yeah,
Fairly level.
yeah, and the glass is softer.
Yeah.
By the river. Yeah, near the hat. Beautiful view. Yes. First step, make tent. There you go.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. And you can just put it in. Just to put it in. Nice. Tent is done. Woo. So the next is just to make a bed.
Yeah.
Sleeping bed, sleeping mat, and that's it.
Yeah.
Our bed is done. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to put some clothes on too.
It's a little bit windy.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Mi-chan, what are we eating tonight?
We got lentils. And
Yes.
I took all the mushrooms out because you don't like mushrooms.
Thank you very much.
Pasta and pasta sauce. There's our pasta.
Yeah. And now we're cooking lentil.
Lentils. 2 pans of lentils. And a couple of herbs.
Oh, I'm
works
so
out.
hungry.
I'm pretty hungry too. All right.
All right, dinner is ready. Jump is a vegetarian, so we made vegetarian food tonight. We can cook vegetarian food for the camping, yeah?
Well, it took me a lot of thought to figure out how to do it.
Oh, really? I think you did great.
All right, thank you. I'll eat it.
Yeah?
That's pretty good.
Cool, let's eat. The first day was pretty good. We just finished dinner and just getting cozy.
It's still a bit cold outside.
Yeah, it's 7 o'clock, we ready to sleep. Night. But we didn't know what was gonna happen the second day. Oh, is it maybe your water bottle? What do you think so? Is it locked?
That was my first thought as well.
Yeah.
But
That's a really big puddle I ever had.
yeah. And it like soaked through my like sleeping bag.
Yeah. Are you cold?
Yeah, whatever.
Can you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep super well last night.
That sucks.
Yeah.
First backpacking. Wet. So let's see how's the outside. Nice. Oh, we can still see mountains. Oh, it's cold. Good morning. Today is the second day of camping. That was really raining last night. And our tent got big puddle inside. Now it stopped raining. Our misfortune continues. Mouse got my backpack. Eat a little bit of pepperoni and left. Okay, hot chocolate time. Breakfast, cereal. Oh yes. Oh yes. Done packing. We're leaving. Bye bye, Russell Lake. Last sight of the lake. The water. We came back. That 3 kilometers wasn't bad.
Yeah.
It was much faster.
Easier. So where are we headed? Gondola?
Yeah, 9.5.
Yeah.
So first summit is 4.5 kilometers.
Yeah.
9.5 to go. Maybe we don't need to eat ramen here.
No, not here.
No, I mean we can get to the gondola already by the lunch.
We'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be up and down.
Yeah.
Sun's out. It's too hot. It's raining. It's cold here. Fruit Summit? Nice. How many? 2,000? Oh wow. That's quite high. Woo, we made it. Okay, Fruit Summit. High five.
Did it.
Okay, so there's a fork, no sign, but we can see the top of the gondola
That's the top of Peak Chair.
picture.
Yeah.
So we believe this one is going to the picture.
Yeah. If Peak Chair goes down that way, the gondola and Peak to Peak are over there.
Okay, so maybe it's right.
I think so.
Yeah,
But
I
this
think so
might be
too.
the moment that we die. So.
I have to say, Jam sensed something here. Just we didn't know yet. We have a still food.
We do. We still have ramen. You can fact check.
Exactly. Yes.
There's another big pile down here.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna follow the picture?
I don't know. But we
maybe.
could. We got
Yeah.
lost.
She definitely has a feeling without being aware. But me, I felt nothing. And we are getting lost. I believe this is the exact point we got lost. We were still following somebody's footprints. We kept going down along the chairlift. Just because we believe that this chairlift is the peak chair. Okay, now we realize that we are lost.
Pretty lost.
We are pretty lost.
Pretty lost.
But good news is this is the picture. We still don't know that is not picture. We know where to go. We just follow the chair and we get to the roundhouse. So we just lost the trail. We are hungry and cold. So we're eating migoren. This ramen definitely saved our lives. Okay, we ate something and we got energy going down. So when we get to the village, drink beer, and I would like to eat cake. We are so much adventuring right now. Bear! Don't come to us!
Go away!
I wanted to see a bear, but not like this in the middle of nowhere. I'm so happy to see people there.
Yeah. Now what the hell? Now I'm really confused.
So that wasn't the picture?
I guess not. Hey.
Now we are at the bottom of the symphony chair.
Not
From the
here.
yeah, from the switchback. From
So
here,
maybe
it's
like 10K or
maybe yeah,
Wow, really?
yeah.
Ah.
That's really disappointing. Oh, you guys think I'm gonna cry. I don't
Why
know if I can do another 10K.
Yeah. We can pick some cars up, you know. And we did. Now we can drink beer. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Oh, we made it! We survived.
We did survive.
Oh my god. Just just leave the mountain for now.
All right. So what
Okay.
happened here? What happened? So we did the musical bumps to
Oh,
flute.
yes.
There's flute,
Yeah, yeah.
and we were going down here.
Yeah, and then that was the fork.
Yeah. So we were going the right way.
Yeah.
But then when we got
The harmony,
here,
yeah.
we got about here, I guess, because
Yeah.
that lake. We did see that lake,
Yeah.
and we thought, oh, this
Oh,
was
that's the
peak,
peak.
but his peak is way over here.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we went down this way.
Yeah, exactly.
And well, we're not even on the map anymore. So
No.
like they don't even show this in the summer trails, but we were way down here and we were walking down to try and get to the mid station. But
Yeah.
thankfully, we found some nice Whistler employees who were
Yeah.
very generous and kind to us, and were able to drive us back up to the top of Whistler Village Gondola. where
Exactly.
we are now.
And then now we are taking gondola.
Taking gondola down.
Oh my god, good job.
But that is, for me, 2019 goal achieved.
Yeah?
Yep.
Well, we
Yeah.
will do more.
Yeah. So
Try
it's
not to
first
get
time for
lost
everything.
next time.
Yeah, next time, I definitely have learned a lot,
Yeah.
and I know what it takes, and I know that I can do it, I think.
And now we go get the beer and coke and cake.
Yes,
Okay.
that's our plan.
How's your beer?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah. Coke and nacho. Oh, look what we got! Tiramisu!
All right, cheers.
Cheers!